also can use that as a lighter. Again, always tap off underneath your eye to kind of reinforce the lashes. Always tap into your pan so you don't waste it. I see people do all the time, like out here, and for one thing, it's going in your carpet. For another thing, you're losing product that's very expensive in this case. There, so now I have under eye liner with powder, and always blend. Go on your little towel and just blend. Only the edges, see where there's a line? Only blend that line. Don't go back into the color, just the line. There's a line, so blend that out. Do you see what I'm saying? The front, there's a line. Back and forth. There's your line. Just blend that out, just back and forth. And then here, just a little circular moving inward, like go towards your face. Like that. And all that does is just get rid of any harsh lines. And that's my look for the day. And then I will come back with another one and show you my look for if I'm going to work or out. I do all this, and then I will add some other products. So I'll show you that, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!